Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a full workflow of editing a landscape photo in Lightroom. So let's open up Lightroom first, and I have already imported that image which I'm going to use today. Yeah, this is the image I'm going to edit today. So this is the develop tab. Let's bring up some font first, a little bit. Yeah, this looking good. Okay, let's do the lens correction and cropping first. So I want a wide looking image, so I can do something like that. Yeah, see, it has a wide looking feel. So let's start tweaking this image, add some tint. Yeah, now bring up some exposure here. Yeah, bring down the highlight, shadow. Yep, pretty much like that. Now bring down the white. Don't worry, we are going to use the tone curve and the HSL tab to fix those things, those colors. Now we need to bring up the black a little bit, like something like that. Okay, now for clarity I'm going to decrease it, and also for the saturation. Now we are done with the basic adjustments, and it's looking like this. Now let's go to that tone curve. Let's give it a little bit of fade effect, like that. Now let's play with the tone curve. Okay, so we are done with the tone curve, and let's see what we have done here. So this is the before using the tone curve, and this is what we have done with tone curve. So let's jump right into HSL, hue, saturation, luminance. So let's fix the hue. Bring up the red hue somewhere like, yeah. Now for orange, a little more. Yeah, kind of okay. For yellow also something around 9, 10. Yeah. Now we don't need the green actually, so just Yeah, right here. For aqua we need some like here. Yep. Now for blue, yeah, so much. Now for purple we need, yeah, for both like same. Now saturation we're gonna decrease the saturation most of all the colors. Okay, so I'm not used it yet. The horizon line is looking a bit, yeah, now it's looking good. Okay, so we are on saturation tab. Yeah, so let's bring it down somewhere like -6-7. Yeah, now we need the orange saturation but not that much, somewhere like this. We need yellow, no, not like that, obviously a little less actually. Yep. Now for green we don't need the aqua right now. So for blue, yep. Now for purple around 35 and it's around that. Yep. Now it's time to play with luminance. So we don't need the red luminance, just make it -100. And yes, we need the orange, so don't worry about that, we're gonna fix it. Now for yellow, someone like this. For green, yeah, we need someone like that. Now for aqua, yeah, +9, 10, 11, yeah, it's looking good. Now for blue it's around -14. For purple it's, yeah, looking good. And this one. Okay, so we are done with HSL tab. So let's see what we have done with HSL. So this is the before, this is the after. Now we're going to use the split toning. So what I do actually is like I make the saturation 50 first, and now I search for the color what I need in highlights. So let's see what color we need. Actually we need something like that. Yeah, we need something like that. Now we need the color, but we don't need that much of saturation, so we need to bring that down. So let's make it 0. Now increase it by little and see where it's look the best. So I think it's looking good right here. Yeah. Now same for the shadow, make the saturation 50 and now search for the color. You can stay with that color, no, not like that. Yeah, you can go with something like that, that will look much dramatic. So decrease the saturation, now increase it by a little. Yeah, it's looking good right here. So what split toning has done with this image, like this. Okay, now go to detail. We don't need detail right here. We have done with the lens correction. Now we need something like -5, -6. Yeah, it's looking good. See, it gives drama to the image. Okay, now for the calibration, the tint is going down a little bit to the greenish. Yeah, -3 is okay. For the red, let's increase it a little bit. Okay, now decrease the saturation. Yep. For the green, we need to increase the green. Actually, we're just increasing the hue of green primary. So it just depends on you how you want to look and feel your image. That totally depends on you. This is totally a personal thing or personal choice. It's totally creating the mood of your image. So obviously this is a total your choice. For the blue, I'm going to push it a little bit, something like this or something like this. Now saturation is like yeah, here. Okay, so we are done with the image, I think, and we are missing some lights, so we need to add some lights. So for that, let's take a radial filter. You know what? Yeah. Now increase the temperature here, somewhat like this. Not that much really, but like that. Yeah, it's looking good. Now let's create a new one around here. Yeah, like that. No, obviously not with that much of exposure. Let's decrease exposure. Yep, now increase it slowly. Yep, now see, it's looking more lively. Okay, so this is the full workflow of this image. You can find it on my Instagram. My Instagram link is in the description below, and subscribe my channel for more videos like that. And you can ask if you have any questions in the comment box. Also, you can give me suggestions of any video you want or any kind of edit you wanna learn or see on my channel. So that's it for today. See you in the next videos. Till then, ta-ta.